Hello students, hope you are all safe and healthy at home. In the last video, we have finished with the chapter motion. So today let us start with the back exercise of the chapter motion, and the page number is 37. Now the first question is A, that is tick the best choice. Tick the best choice. The first one is a body can be at rest relative to some object, B part at motion relative to some object, C is both A and B, and D none of these. So first the answer is C. Just go through it. Page number, it is 37. A body can be at rest relative to some object, at motion relative to some object. So the answer of the question 1, that is C. Now move to the question number 2. Every object in this universe is in motion. Means the answer of 2 is A. Then move to third. If motion of a body is along a straight line, it is said to have, the answer is D, all of these. Answer is D, all of these. Then move to fourth part, that is motion of pendulum is, the answer is C, that is oscillatory. Then move to question number 5, that is motion of hands of a clock is, the answer is A, that is uniform. A. Now you can even go through it. The first answer is C, second is A, third is D, fourth is C, fifth is A. Now move to the next, that is fill in the blanks. B part, fill in the blanks. That is 6. It is written, if motion of an object is along a curved path, it is said to be curvilinear motion. The answer is curvilinear. Curvilinear motion. Now move to 7th. That is motion of earth repeated after regular interval of time is called periodicity motion. The answer is periodicity. Periodicity. Now move to 8th. When we breathe, our lungs repeatedly expand, contract, expand, contract. This motion is periodic motion. The answer is periodic motion. Now move to 9th. Wheel of a running scooter has rotatory as well as rectilinear motion. 9th, rectilinear motion. Now move to 10th part of B question. Speed is given by distance traveled divided by time. It is time. Now the C part. Pick true and false. True and false. Now the first one is mass of an object remains everywhere. Means mass does not change. So this is true. So 11th is true. Then move to 12th. Weight of an object remains constant everywhere. This is false because weight that keeps on changing. I'm just writing here. 11th is true. 12th is false. Then move to the 13th one. Weight of an object is a force. The answer is true. Then 14th. Mass of an object is a quantity of matter contained in it. It is true. Then move to 15th. That is weight is measured in kg. It is false because the SI unit of weight is Newton. Now you can go through it. 11th is true. 12th is false, 13 is true, 14th is true, 15 is false. Now move to the next D part. Part D. It is written match the following. Match the following. So, plugged string of guitar, the answer is vibratory motion. So, A. Second. Then, beating of heart, that is periodic motion. That is periodic motion. It is third. Now C part, car moving on a straight road. The motion of the car is known as linear motion. It is first one. Then D, car moving on a curved road. The motion of the car is curvilinear motion. That is fourth one. Now you can go through it. A second, B third, C first, and D fourth. Now the next is define rotatory motion, oscillatory motion, speed and weight. That you can do of your own, and let us straightway move to the numericals problem. That is F. Solve the following problems. I am simply writing here numericals. Okay, the 21 numerical, it is written a girl walks a distance of 2 km in 40 minutes. Find her speed. First of all, just write given. Distance is given. Distance is given, and that is 2 kilometer. And then time is given. It is given 40 minutes. And you have to find speed. Students, as we know that the formula of speed is distance upon time. Okay students, since answer is given in meter per seconds, it means we have to convert 2 kilometer into meter. As we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, so 2 kilometer will be equal to 2000 meter, and then time, it is given 40 minutes. So in 1 minute, how many seconds are there? 60 seconds are there. 1 minute 60 seconds, so 40 minute will be equal to 40 into 60, that is 2400 seconds. Now distance is 2000 meter and the time is 2400 seconds. 2400 seconds, you can write it meter per seconds. Now you can simplify it. 2 0 to 0 get cancelled. So 4 5 the 4 6 the. Now it is 5 upon 6. So your answer will divide 5 with 6. You will get 0.83 meter per seconds. So with this, your first numerical, that numerical number 21 is solved. Now move to numerical 22. Numerical 22. Now the question is, if the girl in question 21 walk back and covers the same distance in 50 minutes, what is the average speed of the girl? Okay students, now average speed, as we know that average speed is equal to total distance traveled upon total time taken. Now the total distance, first of all, total distance in going and coming back, so it is 2000 meter plus 2000 meter, and this will be equal to 4000 meter. Now total time in first case it is 2400 seconds. Now it is 54 minutes, so 54 minute is equal to 54 into 60. Now just multiply it. 60 multiply by 54, 0, 24, 50, 30. It is 0, 4, 2, 3, to 0. So 2400 plus 3240 seconds. Now put this, first of all add it, 2400 2640. Now the average speed is equal to total distance traveled, that is 400 meter divided by 5 6 4 0. You can write it here also. It is 5640 seconds. Now you can cut it. 2 to the 4 0 0, 2 to the 4 1 8 2, again 2 1 4 2 1 the 2, and then it is 100. So 100 divided by 4 141. So let us check 100 divided by 141. Since 100 is less than 141, so 0 decimal. Now 141, 7 1 the 7, 7 4 the 28, 987. It is 987. Students, I think it is not given 54, it is 50 minutes. So 50 into 60, it is 3000. So your answer is 5400 seconds. Now just cut it. You can divide now 4000 with 5400. Cut it. 27 20, then 20 divided by 27 0, then 27 189 1 1. Now again you can take 0. So 27 4, it is approximately 102. So after multiplying it, 20 upon 27, this is equal to 0.74 meter per second. Let us understand this numerical again. Students, just go through the statement. It is given that, first of all, in 22 numerical, it is given if the girl in question 21 walk back and cover the same distance in 50 minutes. What is the average speed of the girl? It is just like this, that first of all the girl select this. There are 2 points A and B. The girl first go from A to B, then come back from B to A. So the distance between A and B is 2 kilometer. So from A to B 2 kilometer, then B to A again 2 kilometer, then it is 4 kilometer. So 4 kilometer into 1000, that is 4000 meter. So in the first case, he took 40 minutes. While going, he took 40 minutes, and while coming back, he took 50 minutes. Now 50 plus 40, it is 90 minutes. So 90 into 60, that is equal to 5400 seconds. So as we know that average speed is equal to total distance traveled upon total time taken. Then total distance 4000 meter, total time taken, that is 5400 seconds. Just put the value here and you will get the answer, that is 0.74 meter per seconds. Now move to the 23rd numerical. It is given weight of a body is 100 Newton, find its mass. So in this question, weight is given, weight is given, that is 100 Newton, and we have to find the mass. Students, in the previous video we have done that weight is equal to mass into gravity. So in this case we can take the numerical value of G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Weight is given, that is 100. Mass we have to find, the value of G we have taken 10. Since 10 is multiplying here and on the other side it will divide. So 100 upon 10, the answer is 10 kg, as the SI unit of mass is 10 kg. So in this numerical, the weight of the body is given, that is 100 Newton. Mass we have to find, and we know that W is equal to mg, or weight is equal to mass into gravity, and the value of G we have taken here 10 meter per second square. Put the value and then we can easily find the mass of the body, and that is 10 kg. Now move to the next numerical, that numerical number 24. It is given mass of a body is 5 kg, find its weight. Now in this numerical, mass is given, and the mass is given 5 kg, and we have to find the weight. As we know that weight is equal to mass into gravity. Mass is given, that is 5, and the value of G we have taken, that is 10. So 10 into 5, that is 50. The SI unit of weight is Newton. So with this we have finished with the back exercise, and even I think we have finished with the first term syllabus. So in the next video we will revise the first term syllabus. Till then, you just note down all these things in your notebook as usual you are doing in the classroom, and soon after this lockdown I will check your copies. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.